Hello guys, Odeyemi Akinyemi is my name and this is my binary trading system. This is on 1 minute time frame. You can also use it on 5 minutes time frame. Look at what is happening now very well. Look at this arrow has popped up now. Yes, I will be set now on Euro USD. Because this arrow has popped up, I'm expecting a yellow arrow to pop up. This candle now has come along. Look at these three lines here. This candle has passed through the three lines. It's very important. This candle here has already passed through this three trend line. This one here, this squeeze indicator here has already changed to red, and the mark D here has already touched the white line here. This is the perfect time to trade. Immediately it gets to 30 here, I trade. You see it? Immediately the countdown here gets to 30, automatically a new candle will open here and I've traded. This is double confirmation because we have the red, we have the yellow, it means double confirmation. And the same thing is applicable when you are trading on 5 minutes expiration. That doesn't mean you are going to win all the trades. No. Remember, this is Monday morning. The market is not stable. As you can see, look at the market. It's not stable, but I'm just doing this video because you requested that I should do a new video for you to understand. So this is my demo account, and I will never trade now on my live account with such thing. That is why I'm using my demo account, because I will soon be going out. Now this trade is lost. It is lost not because the it is lost because the market is not yet settled. It is to 9 here in my country. That's 8:53 a.m. GMT, and it is morning. The conditions are that this Z winner here must be in red. This Bollinger squeeze there must come from up and be touching this zero value line, this dotted line. This candle here must cut across the three lines there. The candle must cut across these three lines just the same way it happened here. Then there must be first arrow, which is the red. Then when the next candle is opening, there will be another arrow, which is the confirmation. Immediately that happens, you trade. Okay, need to wait for another opportunity. So let me take you to 5 minutes time frame. You can see, look at the 5 minutes time frame. Agree with me, this is not the best time to trade. 5 minutes time frame, look at it's going up. Look at the long wig, long. So you don't trade every time, my friend. Don't trade every time. Whenever you see these long wigs here, this long tail, we call them wig, WEAK. WICK, wick, WICK. So you don't trade because it means the market is not good for trading. That is why we lost our first trade. Okay, so I'm going to type for you now the conditions that are to be met. The first condition is that rules to look out for before you trade. Trade put or sell. Overall downtrend. When the three lines, that's trend lines, when the three trend lines are joints, when the three trend lines intersected or cross over one another. the lines, the trend lines must pass through a red candle. The Z winner trend the Bollinger Squeeze must touch line 0 here. This line 0 there must be a final double arrow. Red and yellow. For call or buy, exactly opposite. So let's wait patiently and take the trade. Let me just leave it on 5 minutes time frame. I will leave it on 5 minutes time frame while I pause the video. Now, as you can see here, there is overall downtrend. Look at it now, overall downtrend. When the three trend lines intersected or cross over one another, the three trend lines will be coming together now to intersect very soon. The trend line must pass through a red candle. Look at the trend line, it's passing through a red candle here. If it goes down, it means they've already passed through the red candle. Look at overall downtrend. The three trend line must pass through a red candle. Look at a red candle, and the three lines now must pass through, or at least these two major ones will pass through. Okay, look at it there. Then the Z winner trend must change to color red. This very one here, it must change to color red. This one here is still showing blue. It must change to color red. So let's see what is happening. The Bollinger Squeeze must touch line 0. This one, this Bollinger Squeeze there, it must touch this dotted line, which is line 0. This Bollinger Squeeze here must touch this dotted line, which is line 0. Okay? There must be a final double arrow confirmation. There must be two arrows. The red must pop up first. Then, when a new candle opens, the blue will follow. So let us wait for the conditions to be met. Just patience. Patience. Once you have the patience, you'll be a good trader. Now, as you see here, this is Euro USD anyway. 5 minutes time frame. The candle has already passed through the two lines. Okay, it's passing through, but we cannot trade because one, there was no any arrow pop up. This has only changed to yellow, it has not changed to red. Then this Bollinger Squeeze has not touched line 0 or the dotted line. So what you have to wait until all the conditions are met, you will not trade. Okay. Well, it seems there is a news release. That is why you really have to be checking your forex factory for news release of the day before you trade. How do I know there is a news release? Look at what is happening on GBP USD. So let me quickly check that now. www.forexfactory.com. Today, what's the time now? I have to change this time to what our time here says. I'm in GMT plus one zone. $10.06. No, I'm not on $10.06. Then I will take it back to GMT. And share time with London. 9:06. Good. Then I will click on calendar. What's time now? 9. Today is Monday. Okay. Look at this is time. There's going to be an high impact news by this is Tuesday. Today being Monday. The last news release was here of the that's 6 p.m. So as that today now being Monday, there is no news release now. The next news release is going to be around 6 p.m. in the evening, which is going to be a low impact news. Avoid medium impact news and high impact news. The high impact news are red and the medium are this one that is like milky color, brown. Okay? Avoid it because it's going to move the market. So you can see the sudden movement here. If it is not news release, we call it the market movers. Those are the banks. They are moving the market. So you will not see the news released, but all you could see is just a sudden change in direction. They are the market movers. So they are big banks, the big boys. So you have to be careful. So let's just wait patiently. Now this is the Euro USD. And as you can see now, there is a first arrow popped up. But here has not changed to red. Neither has this line touched the line 0 zone. So this trade there is not going to be an effective trade. Remember the rules. Even when this red pops up, this must change to red and this must touch the line 0. So if before the end of this candle now, it touches line 0, good. But let us assume now that this has changed to red and this has touched line 0 and you want to trade. Remember, this is 5 minutes expiration. How do you change your time on IQ option to 5 minutes? You are going to change it to 5 minutes whenever this time here, click 00.50 now. Whenever this time gets to 00.29, when it is 29 and below, anything from 29, you cannot change it to 5 minutes time frame here. Watch out. If this time here now is anything from 29, now it is 29 and below, then I will come here now and change this. Once I click on this place, I will not click on the last time here. There must be 5 here. Click on it. This is a nice time to trade. Look at it. It actually gone down, okay, and the red has occurred. I'm only waiting if this could just give me and go down a little bit, touching this white here or almost white, and if I see a confirmation, I'm going to look at that. Look at the red now. The red came up immediately, and look at this, almost touching the white. So this is a valid signal and I took it. I hope you understand the conditions now. You understand the condition now. Look at these two lines now. They pass across this trend line. They even pass across this other red line. Then a red candle, a red pop-up came up. I waited, this red also pop up. Another confirmation line came up. And this here was almost touching the white dotted line. So we have to wait for it. In binary option trading, it is not over until it is over. You may be out of the money for the next 4 minutes and the remaining 1 minute it will go in your direction. You may be in the money for the next 4 minutes, and the remaining 1 minute you will be out of the money. So in binary option trading, it is not over until it is over. So this is just the way to trade. Only that today being Monday in the morning, the market is not yet stable. That is why you are seeing all this that is happening. So let us wait for the condition. Let us wait for it. Wait patiently if you want to be a good trader. You don't need to be in haste. 3 trades in a day and you are in the morning is better than 10 trades and you win only 5. You lose 5. That's nonsense. Only 3 good trades and you win 2 or you win the 3 is better. So let us wait until the end of this trade. Once again, Odeyemi Akinyemi is my name. As you can see now, we are in the morning. We still have 2 minutes 20 seconds to the end of this trade. Let's check GBP USD. Well, I'm going to wait patiently again for GBP USD. But for Euro USD, we are still in the money. That's why I told you in the first time, it is not over until it is over. All you need to do is just to wait patiently. Once you wait patiently, you are going to hit the nail on the head just at the right time. Wait. Patience is one of the criteria for trading. No matter how good your trading system is, if you don't have patience, well, you'll be a gambler. You will agree with me that the market is moving, is dwindling up and down, and we are having just about 15 seconds, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10 to the end of the trade. It's not over yet until when I see the account is in green. I'm having 4 seconds. This trade is a 1. Yes. See that? That is how binary option works. And this is how I use my trading system. So I might go along now. Look at. So let's just wait for it. Hope you really do understand. If there is anything left for you to understand, please don't hesitate to contact me. Odeyemi Akinyemi will always be my name. Thank you and God bless you.